Hello everyone, so today I will be reviewing a novel written by Leila S. Chudori by titled Laut Bercerita. This novel was first published in Jakarta in October 2017. It has 379 pages. This book explores the conflict over politics and human cost of Indonesia's New Order government. The novel offers a personal, emotional point of view on the life of political activists, their difficulties, and the effects of governmental aggression on individuals and families. The story is set between the 1990s and the Reformasi era. The novel is told through Biru Laut's story, a college student who gets actively involved in an unofficial opposition organization battling for democracy. His tale takes us into the risks that he and his fellow activists encounter as they reject the Suharto regime. The story shifts between two perspectives. First is Biru Laut's experience as an activist, and two, after Biru Laut's death, his sister Asmara Jati's struggle to complete the pieces of the missing puzzle together and to discover answers to their endless questions. The shifts between the past explores the trauma and survival of Biru Laut's kidnap, prison time, and disappearance. While prison time, Asmara Jati suffers from the absence of her brother and the social wounds left by their history. The issues of governmental brutality and oppression is raised in Laut Bercerita, with a focus on Indonesia, where citizens, especially people who dissent, face grief, torture, and terror. The importance of Indonesia's history and the open scars from that era are themes of contemplation brought up by the novel. The concept of grief and loss is also a crucial theme that is raised in the story. We see the mental impact that Laut's absence takes on his family from Asmara's perspective. Despite of the government's efforts to remove those they love from history, the novel examines how the relatives of those who went missing are seeking justice and truth. The author cleverly writes the story deep in emotion and vividly emphasizes every character's suffering through the government's injustice. Laut Bercerita by Leila S. Chudori is a complex, deeply moving story with a blend of political and family themes. Readers can feel the brutality of Laut's activity and the destruction of those left behind through the two narrative structure. The work is both historically accurate and truly human, because of the way the opposing points of view highlight the optimism of young people striving for change and the persistent suffering of marginalized voices. Laut Bercerita has received recognition ever since its publication for its brave depiction of difficult times in Indonesian history. Its emotionally profundity and relevance in history are not the only reasons why readers find it compelling. This book forces us to consider the continuous fight for justice and peace, as well as memorializing those who have been forgotten. Leila S. Chudori is successful in providing attention to people who had their voices were cruelly suppressed. Her work of art serves as a link between the past and the present, educating us that facing our history is necessary in order to continue moving on. To conclude, Laut Bercerita is a compelling tale that explores the individual implications of political activism in Indonesia. Its diverse characters, strong narrative, and deep issues make for an engaging book, demonstrating the human spirit's strength in the face of injustice. It is a highly recommended book for those who interested in Indonesian political past. So, that's all from my review. Thank you very much for watching.